Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Danielle. I'm Miss Happy Housewife. We are here. We are trying to get ourselves and our whole house back from chaos. So what that means is we're getting back to basics and we're going to be creating these routines so that cleaning our house is on autopilot. I've done this in 2 other houses and now I've moved into this one. So it's time that we do it again. So hopefully you're here for the ride. So if you didn't check out the other videos, I'm gonna go ahead and put the link up here for you, but I'm gonna put it up there for you. Go ahead and start with day 1. So today what we're going to do is we're going to do all of the things that we've done before, but we're going to add hot spots. So what is a hot spot? So a hot spot is basically where you come in and all your stuff just happens to fall right there. Like that's where all your stuff is accumulated. But what we're gonna do, we're going to use a timer. Let me show you mine. It's actually over here, right here. So I have a timer. It is a Flylady timer, but you can use any timer. You can use the timer on your microwave. You can use the one you have probably over there on your stove. Use a timer. So what we're gonna do is we're going to start with 2 minutes. That's it, 2 minutes. Now, I'm not going to speed this up at all. I'm gonna give it to you real time, but I'm gonna go ahead and my hotspot right now is my kitchen island. Look, that's my hotspot for today. So I'm going to go ahead and set my timer for 2 minutes and I'm going to get this cleaned up. So let's go for it.
Room is filled with silence. We're alone and frightened. All we do is lie. Throw away our labor like a piece of paper. Gone and won't be found. And ooh, 'cause you were not wrong. And ooh, 'cause we are not one. You've blown out the last ray and buried us in cold waves. I'm dancing in the mess you left behind. Oh, now you don't know me, can't control or own me, but you're the one who's playing with my mind. Yeah. So I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind. Yeah. So I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind. You head for north, I'm south. Though you're gone, it feels like something's watching me. I turn my head around to see if the stalker is you, but all I see is rain. And ooh, 'cause you were right all the time. And ooh, 'cause we are not fine. You've blown out the last ray and buried us in cold waves. I'm dancing in the mess you left behind.
Our hot spots, they're going to be something that we're going to be tackling every single day because it's a tendency for us to come in and just put stuff down. I didn't get all of my major hot spot done today. I'm actually going to do more tomorrow. What we're gonna be doing is we're going to be working on that every day, and we're going to start doing a 15-minute decluttering every day. Our next mission is we're going to find something called a launch pad. So a launch pad is where you come in and you purposefully put your stuff there. So you're gonna wanna have that by the door that you leave through the most. So I actually have a space. Let me show you. This is my space right here. And I still have the bench that I had before. I need to bring it over here and I'm gonna start making this into our little launch pad.
I know that I should keep it I can play the fool, babe. Just play the game and hold on, maybe. But I'm done with the waiting, done with the waiting. I'm done with playing nice. Now look me in the eyes. Tell me, tell me, tell me what you see inside. Not gonna ask you twice. Not looking for your lies. Tell me, do you wanna go?
So these little discs right here, these are called Super Sliders by Waxman. I had these a long time ago, but we also got some square ones, and that's all I did is I put it on the bottom of the bench, and then I was able to slide it around really easily. So yeah, not bad. So that's where we're going to put like our purse, our backpack, stuff like that. But I want to go and put something above there so that we can hold our keys. And I got something for that. This. So I need some help getting that one set up. But once I have that up, I will be able to show you. You can actually get this from Amazon. I will try to go and find the link and I'll put it down in the description for you. That way, if you want one and you like it, then you'll be able to get one of your own. So I do want to show you, and that's kind of taken about my 15 minutes, but I want to show you how the rest of my day has gone. So this is the rest of the routines that we've already built.
Do you wanna go? Do you wanna go? Do you wanna go? Those who wanna play by the rules, hand up last with nothing to obtain. So let's level up to remain. 'Cause I'm done with the waiting, done with the waiting. I'm done with playing nice. Now look me in the eyes. Tell me, tell me what you see inside. Not gonna ask you twice. Not looking for your lies. Tell me, do you wanna go? 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 I'm riding away tonight. Gonna try it while the world.
I want to thank you guys for joining me here today, and watch out for tomorrow because we're going to be adding one more thing to our morning schedule. But hopefully you're finding this okay. If you're getting stuck and something is overwhelming, just go back to the last baby step and we're gonna go from there. You're not behind at all. So I will see you all in the next video. Bye.